From budget to quality, a kitchen upgrade.
Do we need to buy anything for the house, Katie?
Yes, the coffee maker. It broke down again this morning.
Seriously? That's the third appliance this month. First the microwave, then the blender, and now this. Our kitchen feels cursed.
Or maybe it's because we keep buying the cheapest models. I warned you about that super budget 3-in-1 coffee maker. A 50% discount usually means trouble.
Fair point. I guess it's time we invest in something reliable. Let me call the shop and see what they have.
Hello? This is David's Electronics. How can I help you today?
Hi David, I'm looking for a new coffee maker. Preferably medium or large size, something durable.
You're in luck. We have a popular model, quiet, powerful, and very reliable.
Sounds good. What about the warranty?
It comes with a standard 2-year warranty, but many customers say it lasts 5 years or more.
That's reassuring. I think this might be the right choice.
Would you like me to deliver it to your address? Or would you prefer to come to the shop and choose in person?
I'll come to the shop. I'd like to see it myself before buying.
Perfect. I'll be here to assist you.
Hello, Mr. David. We spoke on the phone about the coffee maker.
Yes, welcome. Please follow me. I'll show you the models we discussed.
Great, thank you. I like this one. It looks sturdy and stylish.
Excellent choice. It's one of our best sellers.
How can I pay?
You can pay by card or cash, whichever is convenient.
I'll pay by card then.
Thank you very much for your purchase. If you ever need other electronics, please visit us again.
I will. Thanks for your help today.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new coffee maker.
Teamwork and responsibility. Recognizing Zack's efforts.
You know, I really have to say Zack is such a responsible person.
Oh? What makes you say that?
Well, our team met yesterday to prepare for today's presentation.
Ah yes, the geography lecture.
Exactly. Zack was in charge of arriving early, setting up the room, arranging the tables and chairs, preparing the documents, and even making sure there was water for everyone.
Wow, that's a lot to handle for one person.
I honestly thought it would be too much, but he insisted he could manage it all. And he really did. Everything was perfectly ready when we arrived.
That's impressive. Even with so many tasks, he carried them out so well. He definitely deserves some rest after all that effort.
I agree. He's earned a break. But that leaves the question, who's going to take care of the remaining work?
I can step in. If it gets overwhelming, I'll ask someone else to lend a hand.
That sounds like a good plan.
Honestly, Zack's dedication motivates me. It shows how much smoother things go when everyone takes responsibility.
True. It makes me realize how important teamwork is. If each of us contributes like Zack did, our presentations will always run smoothly.
Exactly. Let's make sure to thank him properly. Maybe even treat him to something nice after the lecture.
Great idea. He'll appreciate that.